Hello everyone, I am Surendra Jain, Master Teacher in Vedantu. We are discussing paper of KVPY 2020 of essay stream. This is question number 2 from the topic solution of triangle, you can say. Question says let ABC be a triangle such that AB is equal to 4, BC is equal to 5 and C is equal to 6. Choose points D, E, F on AB, BC, CA respectively such that AD is equal to 2, BE is equal to 3, CF is equal to 4. Then area of triangle DEF upon area of triangle ABC is. And options are 1 upon 4, 3 upon 15, 4 upon 15 or 7 upon 30. So let us see how to solve this question. So let us make a diagram. And we are given AB as 4, AD as 2, so remaining length will be 2 here. Similarly, BC is 5 and BE is 3, so this EC length will also be 2 only. Similarly, CA is 6 and CF is given as 4, so this will be 2 here. Now, let us call this triangle DEF as delta, or let us call the area of triangle DEF as delta dash. Okay, and the area of triangle ABC as delta. So we have to find actually delta dash upon delta. I think that is the question. Okay, now to find this, let me define these triangles ADF as their area to be delta 1, similarly delta 2 here and delta 3 here. Okay, so I will be finding the ratio of delta 1 with delta, delta 2 upon delta, delta 3 upon delta, and because delta 1 plus delta 2 plus delta 3 plus delta dash has to be equal to delta, I think we will be able to find the ratio of delta dash with delta easily. Now, how to find this delta 1 upon delta? Please listen carefully. Okay, this delta 1 and delta, they are having this angle A as common in both the triangles. Okay, now if I use the area of triangle formula as 1 upon 2 into two sides into sine of angle included. So for delta 1 I can use 2 into sine A. And if I use area of triangle ABC with the same formula, then it can be written as 1 by 2 into 4 into 6 into sine A. So you can see sine A gets cancelled, 1 by 2 gets cancelled, it comes out to 1 by 6 only. Okay, this is one ratio. Now similar to this, if I find ratio of delta 2 with delta, okay, let us do it quickly. I think I need only the ratio of the product of these two sides 2 and 4 and 5 and 6. I think this is 6 here. So it will be 4 upon 15. Okay, similarly delta 3, this is delta 3. So delta 3 upon delta will be, we can write this as 2 into 3 upon 4 into 5. So this will be 3 upon 10. Okay, now we need to find delta dash upon delta. So I think we can write this as 1 minus delta 1, I think this was the delta 1 plus delta 2 plus delta 3 upon delta. So here it will be 1 minus 1 upon 6. I think delta 1 upon delta is 1 upon 6. Let me put a bracket here, plus 4 upon 15 plus 3 upon 10. So let me take 30 as LCM, then it will be 5 here plus 8 here plus 9 here. So 5 plus 8, 13 plus 9, 22. So this will be 8 upon 30, or we can write this as 4 upon 15. So answer for this question should be 4 upon 15. Yeah. So this completes the solution of this interesting question. I hope you like this solution. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for more solutions. Bye.